Queso dip, the ultimate Super Bowl snack. Don't you just love it? We're cooking with chill. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make the best queso dip there is. And there are a few keys to that. So it's Velveeta cheese. You need Velveeta. You can use others, but trust me, Velveeta tastes the best when it comes with this. And then Pace Picante sauce. You can use others, but it tastes best when you're using Pace Picante sauce and Velveeta cheese. Well, cookers, I've got my pan. It's on medium low heat. I'm gonna pour some milk in here. Not a lot. I can add more milk later, but it's kind of hard to take it out. So, and then I'm just going to put, in fact, look at that. That's already starting to get warm. So let me turn that down a bit. And I'm just going to put this Velveeta cheese right in here with this milk. You don't want your Velveeta in very big pieces. It'll take it a while to melt. That's kind of a pain in the neck. Of course, I'm making a bit of a mess. Turn this back up now that I got the cheese in there. So when you do this, you really kind of want to stir it pretty frequently. You don't want the cheese to burn and get stuck on the bottom. I am turning this down to about 230. Just a little bit above boiling. Yeah, see? That's the nice thing about these induction cooktops. They get the pan hot pretty quickly, and I like that. And then with this Nuwave, I can control the temperature down by 5 degrees. So I've got it set at 230 right now, and you want to stir it with this spatula, or in this case it's a spoon, and just make sure that you're not getting anything stuck in the bottom. So this is pretty thick here. So I'm going to add a little more water to it. Milk, I'm sorry. All right, I'm going to put the rest of that milk in there. And I'll just stir that in. Now, when you do this, you want the cheese to get thoroughly melted before you add your salsa or Pace Picante sauce, because if you don't, it takes a while for the cheese to get back up the temperature, or the queso dip to get back up to temperature, and then you'll have big lumps of cheese sitting there. Okay, once that milk gets incorporated in there well, this should be pretty good. Look at that. You know, when I was a kid growing up, my mom, she would make chili con queso or queso dip for us while we watched football. So this is really a Super Bowl and football tradition in my family since I was just a young kid. Okay, so that is nice and smooth. That's about the right thickness that we want here. So now I'm going to add the Pace Picante sauce. You can use any salsa that you prefer. I like Pace Picante. And you just want to stir this in, and it's not any more complicated than this. You just want to stir it in. Now, if you wanted it hotter, you can use more Pace Picante sauce. If you want it milder, you can use a milder salsa. But this is hot Pace Picante sauce. There we go. So that is mixed in well. This is ready to go. I'm going to turn this off. And then I'm going to use this very bowl right here that the cheese came out of. Let me just pour it in here. Okay. That looks good. And just serve it with your favorite tortilla chips. Let me try one of these. That is so creamy and smooth and rich from the Velveeta with that little bit of bite from the picante sauce. I love it. Y'all enjoy your Super Bowl. Lay some comments down on this about, do you like this? Try it. And let me know how your Super Bowl party goes. Y'all have fun.